The Spotted Anywhere alarm system comes with a door sensor that detects whether the entrance where it has been installed has been opened. It has a motion sensor that detects movement in the room where it is installed. These sensors, when triggered, will set off a siren in the control panel. The system also has a smart security camera that gives you a live feed and a playback option of what is happening in your home. The footage from our smart camera is backed up automatically on the cloud, so your footage is safe even if the entire system is destroyed. Our smart camera also has a two-way audio feature that allows the owner to communicate with anyone in the vicinity. Moreover, all of our smart gadgets are compatible with digital assistants like Alexa and Google Home, and they can be controlled using voice commands.
Computer, turn kitchen lights purple.
Our products are non-invasive, therefore they can be moved to the next house when you relocate your address with little additional installation required. This complete smart security alarm system can be used to secure your house or your business. The system is modular, so you can acquire all the gadgets at once, or you can choose whatever is convenient depending on your current security needs and add more features when the need arises. So for example, if you buy a setup with one camera, you can add additional cameras to it without breaking the alarm system. You can contact us to get your hands on our security system using the number on your screen. Customize your home security today with Spotted Anywhere Smart Home.